down this Moscow. Forward of 12-6. Favor. Oh, sorry, what's the movement of those group? See, they're heading straight north for the time being. Probably going to pop out at November 1 crossing, maybe in Tanzania somewhere. Yeah, you go. Down this Moscow.
Good morning from Timavati Game Reserve. This morning we are fortunate to see the giraffe pride that had a quick visit here close to the lodge, all relaxing here in the riverbed. Just no visual of the Hercules male. Good morning. This is the Monana pride. They killed a zebra yesterday in an impala not too far from here. They're relaxing at this dam. And these two younger males were away from the pride for some time. They rejoined the pride. All relaxing here next to the water in Timavati Game Reserve. The Maposa male, the back female with one of the youngsters. And then another two on the background. So a total of 15 lion currently Monana pride. Just some more of the Monana pride, the Timavati Game Reserve. It looks like they had a fairly decent meal. Some of the line is like spread out here in the area. We had some rain, it's quite heavy wind, so some of them moved into thicker bush. This is a few of the Giraffe Pride members. I followed their tracks up all on our main road here to Timavati Game Reserve. The rest of the pride is much further north. Looks like a total of about 20 lion that moved up here, but here's about taking the kids to school. We found this pride of lion lying here next to the road. Probably the Monana pride. All scattered here, although we can't see Maposa male. Females and cubs lying further in the background next to the road. And then just here to the back of me, the hyena still around here, waiting patiently for a meal.
goes down 100 miles per hour.
Good afternoon. Picked up a pack of wild hog here at Mavati Game Reserve. Some of the adults already moved off, possibly to hunt. The other two chased a hyena. There's some interaction between some of the adults here. We picked up here on a big herd of buffalo at one of our dams here at the Mavati Game Reserve. Most of the herd already passed in this section here. We had tracks of lion following them this morning, but no sign of any lion, except for the Guernsey and Avoca male, but they were not close to this herd of buffalo.